Hi, my name's Paula Falinger. These are my kids. We're a second grade class from West Coastville, Pennsylvania. I consider myself to be a Microsoft Innovative Educator Expert because first and foremost, I'm all in for the students. I truly have their best interest at heart, so I take the available technology and use it to give them the best experience available and take them to places outside of the classroom to teach them what the world is all about. And we map our connections and they enjoy doing that. We participated in over 20 different Skype experiences this past school year. The Global Read Aloud program was a springboard for many of our early connections. Our second grade class connected with many different grade levels and even crossed over and connected with some middle school friends. We learned about different books they were reading and about their schools. Unfortunately, many of the connections that we made were initially through Facebook and Twitter, so our miles didn't get logged through the Skype in the Classroom account. We also did some mystery animal Skypes, which tied in the Olympics, and also learned how powerful Skype was by actually going to India via a middle school right down the road. We also participated in Skype-a-thon and traveled to England and Italy and met one of your Skype experts in that experience. We also did participate in the World Read Aloud Skype-a-thon. And we also scheduled a virtual field trip through Yellowstone National Park where we met Ranger Kathy and had a great time. I myself am excited to share my global experiences with my colleagues and help them go global. I presented at my school during faculty meetings and invited several teachers into my classroom during Skype sessions so they could experience the magic. We actually Skyped in the school just so they had some experience with Skyping. I also screencasted videos for the staff so they would know how to set up a Microsoft account and how to request Skype sessions. In December of 2017, I presented a session at the Keystone Technology Innovator Networking event sponsored by our intermediate unit for local school districts about going global with my students and classroom. The highlight was when I Skyped with my students and invited them to talk about what their experience was going global, and they told the attendees about their top 10 lists of why it's important to go global and what they learned about going global. And my second grade students also fielded questions from the attendees. Then I was selected to present statewide in February of this year at the Pennsylvania Educational Technology Expo and Conference at P&C. There were over 130 educators in attendance at my session, and again, I Skyped with my students who were the stars. They beautifully explained the importance of technology in helping make global connections outside of their classroom walls. The impact on the educators was incredible, and many of them asked me to help them begin their global adventure. And I scheduled many Skype sessions with my students, and it was just impressive that my students were impacting teachers and their students, and this experience has just been more than I could have even have imagined. If I become a Microsoft Innovative Educator Expert, I'll continue to take my classroom global. I'm also presenting 2 sessions of professional development at our in-service at the district level when school begins again in August about going global, which I'll be showcasing Skype in the classroom and all of these benefits that students will get through their learning. Thank you, and I appreciate the time.